I'd like to introduce you to the MagnaCheck range of field strength meters. This is the MagnaCheck 3D, and this is what you get in the box. You get the unit, which is in a rugged plastic case, but for extra strength you get a rubber boot that fits over the top. The probe lead connects via the top of the unit into the back of the probe. The 3D probe has letters stamped all the way around it and on the tip, so you can control where you're measuring your field strength. It also comes with a nulling pot, so you can zero the unit before you start. For the traditionalists, we still sell the MagnaCheck 1D with the blade that everybody's used to. Let's have a look at the MagnaCheck 3D in some more detail. To connect the unit up, line up the two red dots. Then connect the probe lead to the probe in the same way. The probe lead is unique and designed and manufactured by Baugh and Weedon. It has different letters on each face, so you can measure an average or you can measure in two directions. To power on, press the green button. You'll get the Baugh and Weedon logo and then followed by a screen with the probe, auto recognition, serial number and what type of probe it is. Press the back button to start measuring. Place the probe tip in the nulling pot and press the tick to 0. Then you're ready to start measuring. The bottom screen will read the highest level achieved, the top screen is live. The amount of time this holds can be adjusted in the settings. You can measure DC average, DC peak, RMS, AC peak, AC average. In the advanced settings, you can adjust the units, Gauss, Tesla, amperes, the hold time, the language.
Okay, you've already seen the meter used in free field mode. To use the gauge to its full potential, we also have an option of selecting an individual face to put onto the surface of the part. It's called face select mode. And what it does, it actually rejects any magnetic fields that we don't want to see that aren't going to be beneficial to our MPI test. So what we've done in this case is we've chosen to put face C onto the surface of the component. It will then ignore any fields coming out through face C and actually only read face A and faces D to E. So put the probe onto the surface, face C, magnetise the part, and as you can see we get a combined reading in the top window, which is a combination of fields through face A and fields through faces D to E, and that's ones we're really interested in. It's ignoring any fields coming out to the surface which would hamper our inspection or are not of interest to us. And the advantage really of this machine in this mode is that if your probe is off at a strange angle, for instance 45 degrees, and you hit the button, you get the same amalgamated reading, and in the small window at the bottom of the small readings, the smaller figures, you can actually see the field strengths through each of your individual faces. So if I just do that shot again with the probe at 45 degrees, it's showing me that I have sort of roughly equal fields going through axis A and axis D to E, and my combined reading is as I'd expect it to be, of about 33 Gauss, which is ideal for the test. So that's the MagnaCheck 3D being used to its sort of full potential. So we've seen the addition of face select as well as the free field mode.